Namaste to all. I'm Dr. Bhavna Upadhyay. So to speak about Vidya and Agni Karma, Vidya Agni Karma has been a catalyst for me in providing treatment to my patients. It's been 2 years now that I attended the first Vidya Agni Karma workshop in Aurangabad. The experience was something which I've not experienced anywhere so far, because Kala ma'am and sir teach everything right from the basic, holding your hands to do the vidya on our yogas, and then to study from basic, like literally a book, and then understanding the various physiological aspect of it from Vat Pitta Kapha and Dhatu aspect. Also, after coming back from the workshop, I was practicing with Agni Karma, or with one of my co-participant, Vaidya Pradnya Kolkotkar ma'am, in on FC Road. So there we used to treat every day around 30 to 40 patients only with using Vidya and Agni Karma workshop. So we have treated patients of autism, Parkinsonism, low backache, knee ache, with patients with Mukhadushika, be it or patients who had, you can say, eczema for ears, thyroid patients, like multiple aspects of diseases only with Vidya and Agni Karma. And to speak about one of the amazing results, recently, just a week ago, I had been to my village, and my grandma, she is around 80 years old. So she was having extreme cervical pain. The cervical pain was more of the muscles of the neck that was radiating right from behind till here, like this. And this pain she was experiencing for past 5 to 6 months. So I was there in the village for only 2 days, and all I did was basic Agni Karma for 2 days every day. I was doing I did in the morning and evening, because I had only that much of the time. And in that itself, she had at least 50% of the 50% of the relief. So now when I talk to her, she is like कि ठीक है, अभी बस थोड़ा सा है, तेरे पास टाइम होता तो वो और ठीक हो जाता. So see, we can say कि मैंने कोई medicines नहीं दिया, मैंने कुछ नहीं दिया. Only with basic Agni Karma, I have given her 50% of the relief. One of the most amazing experience that I had with one of the products that ma'am and sir prepare is Vrana Ropan Tel. So my dadi, being a villager, she has habit of chewing tobacco. So because of that, what happened, that she had ulcers in all her mouth, and that this was the issue for past, I think so, 4 to 5 years. So I just gave her Vrana Ropan Tel, and I told her to just do the Gandush Dharan every day. So she's been doing that for past more than a month, and now she is like she continues to do it, because I told her not to stop it because she has the habit of tobacco chewing. So she will continue to do that. So I told her to make it a routine to do Gandush Dharan with Vrana Ropan Tel, and now she has no ulcers at all in the mouth. And again, so these are the things, along with Agni Karma, we also got introduced to one of the amazing oil that sir and ma'am has made. And Runner Open Tail has been a regular product in all of our clinics. Whoever has attended the workshop know the efficacy of Runner Open Tail, be it in burns, be it in skin diseases, be it in even in like any kind of wound or anything, we use it. Also, we can say that coming to workshop, meeting Vaidyas from all over India, getting insights how they practice and how they came to know about Vidya and how they are doing it. It actually teaches us a lot, and we get a platform where we can interact with so many Vaidyas and get to learn. So yes, I am very grateful to Neetu ma'am and sir for their efforts to bring this thing together and provide us with the knowledge that actually takes years and years to gain efficiency, and they are doing it relentlessly for past 2 years. And I congratulate them for this workshop, and all the best, sir and ma'am. And again, I would urge each and every Vaidya to just take some time out and come to Aurangabad. It's a Gurukul like experience in a modern way, where we get to learn and practice, and we also have live demos of the patient. We get to learn how to make shalaka, how to make mritika shalaka, how to use different shalakas, everything. So yes, thank you.